challenge.
You can
Ready?
hardly see anything out
Grace
here.
Larkin doing cinnamon challenge. Ready?
You're
Let's
gonna
go.
fail.
3, 2, 1.
It'll start to burn. Just wait.
4,
Chew it up.
5,
You gotta swallow
6,
Is
7,
it burning?
8,
You're doing better than
9,
her. Or
10.
she's doing better than you.
Swallow it.
Oh, it looks
Oh,
like
yeah.
it looks like you
You
just
did it. You did
That
it.
looks like
You did it. Good job.
That looks disgusting.
Here, now
Hey,
put
Grace,
this
how do
all
you
in
stop
your
the
mouth.
video?
I did better than you. I swallowed it.
Grace, how do you stop the video?
Oh God.
Grace, how do you stop the video?
There's some milk right there. There's some milk right there.
Is anyone here else trying?
I want to do that. I'll do better. Wait, I'll probably okay.
Here.
Yes, I'll try.
Have some milk.
I'm doing the icy salt.
Is it gross, Grace?
Try it. Try it.
Yeah.
Come on,
Oh,
Jacob.
bar! I hate cinnamon.
That's the whole point.
Okay, I'll try it.
We should do the icy salt challenge.
Grace actually swallowed
Yeah,
it. So.
I'll do that.
Are you okay?
Now that I see Grace doing this, I'm not gonna try it now.
Okay, after
Just
this,
do it. Do
No,
it.
no, no.
let's do the salt.
Come on.
And,
It's not even as hot as the
do you guys have ice?
Ooh. Hey,
Ice
what's
cubes?
Yeah, and salt. Put salt on your arm and then put ice on it.
that?
The icy salt challenge.
For 60 seconds, look.
Ew.
That'll burn you.
Exactly.
No, you're not doing
It will
that.
burn it, then we'll freeze.
I'm
the
not
next-
that irresponsible. I'll
Yeah,
let
you
you
are.
eat cinnamon, but yeah, you are. Shush up, your mouth.
Land shark. I'm a land shark. I'm a land shark.
Now he got that stuck in his head.
Now I'm
Land
gonna brush
shark.
my teeth for 2 hours.
Ew, that's
Why is he
so
still
gross.
videotaping?
Wait, dude, come here. Land shark.